I have done lots of push-ups in my life. I did a challenge of 25 push-ups a day for 25 days, and then I just kept going. I was doing push-ups of different styles in different locations and posting them to Facebook to inspire others to work out. My mom, who's in her 70s, started doing wall push-ups and progressed to push-ups off of the kitchen table. I had even mastered the plyometric push-up. Not like that guy, that is next level. More like this. After a concussion, I took a break from strength training, and when I got back to it, I couldn't even do a basic push-up. That's when I discovered Redefining Strength. Corey's tips to improve my push-ups had me back to a full push-up in no time. Developing strength in your shoulders, upper back, and triceps helps you strengthen your core muscles. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that push-ups effectively build strength and endurance. The study found that push-ups were just as effective as weight training for strengthening the muscles of the arms and shoulders, which is surprising. Even more surprising is that they are more effective at improving balance. I take pride in my ability to balance. I have a few friends who cannot balance. They just fall over. They need to do more push-ups. Here are the top 3 tips Corey from Redefining Strength taught me. I have to regress to progress. I reverted to push-ups on the knees, which seems like a regression, but it isn't helping since you need to engage the core, which can only be done when the body is in a full push-up position. This doesn't need to be done on the floor. Using an incline like a bench or a wall works. Her tip to push away the floor made me realize the mat I have been using doesn't give a good grip. Even though I've done push-ups on lots of different surfaces without an issue, I'm not at the same level of fitness, which sucks, but it's the reality. Adding a mat that let me grip the floor immediately improved the number I could do. I got stuck in my head judging my inability to crank out 25 push-ups and being upset for letting my fitness level decline. I forgot about the importance of the mind-body connection. Driving back my heels engages the quads, allowing my lower body to be engaged, making it easier for the upper body to do the work. The basic push-up technique is simple to learn and can be modified to fit your fitness level. Push-ups can be performed with a wide variety of hand positions and arm movements. A regular push-up routine can help improve your overall strength, posture, and flexibility, and being able to crank out a set makes me feel strong. And while I haven't totally accepted that I'm not yet able to do 25 in a row, and I'm not anywhere close to a plyometric push-up, it's important to remember that I was there before, and through training, I will be able to get there again. If you're not incorporating push-ups into your routine, I want to encourage you to start. We can work on them together. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.